to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. Today we're making crazy fruit salad. Now let's get started. Alright guys, Daddy has already cut the berries and the apples. Now I'm going to mix them up. First I'll dump the apples. Then dump the lemon juice. And then dump the sugar. And then I need to stir them up. I'm horrible at stirring, you know.
So why did you put lemon juice on the apples?
Because it will keep the apples from turning into brown.
From turning brown? Yeah, that's true. That's called oxidation.
Now my dad is filming. Now my dad just dumped the berries. Hooray! Since we live in Georgia, we had to throw Georgia peach. Now I'm going to stir it. This is going to make it harder to stir. Alright guys, I am about to pour the pineapple into the fruit bowl. But first, I need to pour the brown sugar, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg into the pineapple. But first I gotta pour the pineapple in here, and then pour these inside of the pineapple. Why everything has to be so sticky? Oh. Hey kids, we just finished our crazy fruit salad with granola and fruit. My dad will help us with our sour cream.
All right, here you go. So hi kids. What we did here is we took this dessert and we got our fruit salad and we added a base of sour cream. In the sour cream is about 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, a dash of lemon juice, and a dash of vanilla. We whipped it up, put it at the bottom of this glass with some granola, and then we sprinkled some granola toppings on top. And that's our crazy fruit salad.
That's all for now for this episode. See you next time. Bye.